Good afternoon. Today we'll be discussing the two new standard operating procedures that went into effect. SOP 410.2, titled Social Media, with the effective date of February the 5th, and SOP 310.2, titled Family Medical Leave, FMLA, effective date February the 18th. At this point, all stations should have received the two new SOPs via your department email, so I will not be going line by line over them. I will be hitting some of the high points and what I consider noteworthy portions. I do stress that if you have not read over each of the new SOPs to take the time to do so. If you have any questions in regards to the new SOPs, I suggest using your chain of command to submit those questions. I have met with each of your station officers, and we have covered the verbiage in the new SOPs in its entirety. Okay, let's get started. Social Media SOP number 410.2. This policy is driven from the use of social media forums and the protection of our customers, the citizens and the visitors of City of Columbia Southern, the department, and the city. We, as the fire department, are to protect our customers' valuable personal information at all times, ensuring that the safety of all personal protective information, or PII, and here not violating Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, HIPAA. Administration does want to stress, even when you are off duty, you are representing the Columbia Southern Fire Department and the city, and you need to be mindful on how you do that. If you think for a second that you might need to ask for permission for approval before posting something related to the department, it would be best to ask rather than the precautions of not asking for approval when you should have. When asking for permission, remember to follow your chain of command. Now, onto the Family Medical Leave FMLA Policy 310.2. Again, I cannot stress enough to read the SOP in its entirety, and if you have any questions, to run them up the chain of command. The Family Medical Leave Act allows eligible employees to take job-protected unpaid leave or to substitute appropriate paid leave if the employee has earned or accrued it for a specific family and medical reason. So what does that mean in firefighter terms? Basically, if you meet the requirements qualifying for FMLA, you will be required to use any gain time for your pay. Your job will be protected the entire time you are on leave. If you do not know what qualifies as FMLA leave, you can contact risk management. While on FMLA, if you are on unpaid leave status for more than 1/2 the standard number of paid days in a month, your vacation and sick leave will cease until you return back to work. While on FMLA, the city will still pay the same share towards healthcare benefits as if you were working. Take special note that it is requested that you apply for FMLA leave at least 30 days prior to taking the leave. One question that comes up over and over is, what about the case of an unforeseeable event that qualifies under the leave, but is less than 30 days? Can I use FMLA? And the answer is maybe to more than likely yes, as long as it meets the qualifiers of FMLA. Anything under the 30 days will be looked at on a case-to-case basis. As we're running out of time for further information or questions concerning FMLA, reach out to your chain of command and risk management. Thank you.